Hi, I'm Gianluca and I came to Health and Balance because I had problems with my knees while I was playing soccer, and they helped me fix it a lot. Actually, I feel pain-free playing soccer. The only time I have pain is after I play, but using the home care that they've given me, it's actually helped me a lot after soccer. You know, sometimes my hip's hurting, but they gave me a stretch where it really helps my hip, go back into play. I don't know the exact science about it, but it really makes me feel better. They really have helped me through the past couple months to get off Advil. I used to take 2 Advils before training every single time, and now I don't have to do that at all, and I feel no pain. And before, when I would take Advil, I'd feel a lot of pain, and so now I'm pretty much pain-free, feel a lot better about playing. Totally have transformed on the field. Everything. I totally recommend anybody that has pain, anywhere in their body, to come here and see what they can do, because really it can make a big impact, even on your life, just doing normal things. I had lots of changes. I can finally just relax, do whatever I want, and I feel much better. Like before, I would feel super tight. I'd have these things, my knee would be locking up, and that shouldn't happen, at least at my age, I don't think. But after coming here, all that kind of stuff has went away totally. I feel a lot better with even stuff in my life that I didn't even know that could feel better. It feels much better. Like, I didn't know I had problems with my neck, but after coming here, I really resolved a lot of the problems with my neck, and I feel a lot better just looking around, doing just day-to-day things. I feel much better, and all I can say is thank you, Health and Balance, because they've really changed my life. With soccer, day-to-day things, you name it. Really, it helped me a lot, so thank you.